I'm Red po.
Thank you. For the first question, what is significant does the museum hold of Philippine culture?
I think that the significance holds in Philippine culture of Casa de Manila. First and foremost, Casa Manila ay nakatayo sa Intramuros, which is the one of the historical in the Philippines, which is in colonial Spanish colonial period. It showcased na yung mga arts, including the arts na like gamit, ambience, interior design, na kung saan meron tayo nung before or yung past natin nung Spanish colonial period era, na sino-showcase yung mga gamit doon, yung kung paano sila mamuhay sa mga gamit yung mga arts na meron before, and kung paano yun naging kung paano nila in-innovate yon hanggang sa panahon ngayon, kung paano natin nabago yung mga arts, yung mga pamumuhay na meron tayo before. Pinapakita lang rin doon kung paano tayo namuhay before, kung ano yung mga ginamit natin, kung paano tayo namuhay, yun.
Thank you. For the second question, do you think it is important to preserve the history showcase by the Casa Manila Museum? Why?
For me, yeah, mahalaga na i-preserve natin yung Casa Manila Museum kasi yun yung nagpapakita sa atin ng mga fast factual evidence like ng mga arts, ng mga ginamit natin before, ng mga ambience, interior designs, na kung saan mas napapaganda natin ngayon na nagkaroon tayo ng roots. Ibig sabihin, if may roots tayo, mas napapatubo natin yung mga bagay na meron tayo before, yung mga kagawian na meron tayo before. So, nagkakaroon tayo ng moving forward society.
I'd like to know your name.
Althea.
For the first question, what significance does the museum hold the Philippine culture?
Its significance runs through its relics, the information it holds, and the stories it holds na meron sa time.
For the second question, do you think it is important to preserve the story showcase by the Casa Manila Museum, and why?
It's definitely important po kasi other than the relics it holds and the memories it captured, part na rin po siya ng culture natin tsaka ng history ng Intramuros. And as we know, isa sa mga historical places talaga dito sa Philippines is yung Intramuros. So, part na siya ng mahalagang roots nito, and napapakita rin nito kung ano yung mga napagdaanan ng Filipinos and ng community itself.